I want to talk about something that not a lot of realtors talk about. Home ownership is not all it's always cracked up to be. Let's face it, if you're a homeowner, you can have a leak in the roof and you're spending thousands of dollars to get it fixed. You can have a leak in the basement. Same thing. You can have mice or an infestation of some sort. And let's get this really straight in saying, you making the repairs on that, there's not a physical difference that you'll see in your property just by rectifying those things. So this is just to stretch the importance of getting a home inspection. Now, let's be frank, not every market allows for it, but it's important to start thinking outside of the box and considering getting really crafty. Could you consider a pre-home inspection? Whereas in, you really love this house, you feel like this is the one, why not jump the gun and before doing an offer, do a pre-home inspection? If you have any further questions about this, please reach out because getting your home, it kind of requires you being really clever and crafty and taking advantage of your own situation, especially if you're looking at the property that you feel is the one. Sometimes you have to give a little bit more time, money, and patience just to make sure that your dream property is what you think it is.